The Samsung Galaxy S21 phones went the way of the iPhone 12 and Xiaomi Mi 11 in cutting back on the number of accessories that come inside the phone box. So if you buy one of the handsets, you might find yourself needing a few extras too. That's why in today's video, we'll talk about the must-have accessories for Samsung S21 series that you can have to use your device to its full potential. So without further ado, let's get started. The very first thing you're gonna need right after you get your hands on the brand, the S21 or S21 Ultra, is a charger. Yes, Samsung has also joined the trend of no chargers in the box with the company. You know who and what could be a better option than their official 25-watt wall charger as a solution. It comes with a 25-watt output, which can juice up your phone battery faster than ever. It is also compatible with PD 3.0 devices for universal usage with other devices. And if you want to use a third-party charger for your device, you can check out the Oki Minima, a 30-watt wall charger which has also got powerful output and specs in a compact-sized construction. Make your life easier and free of tangled wires with the Samsung Galaxy S21 wireless charger. With 15 watt of wireless out, it can charge your S21 effortlessly no matter it's in portrait or vertical mode. It also has got a cooling fan to ensure maximum performance. To expand your charging needs, you can also get the wireless charger Duo from Samsung, which can simultaneously charge two devices, including your Galaxy Watch or Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro and obviously your Galaxy S21 Ultra. Protection meets style. With the silicone and smart clear view cover, you can ensure both for your brand new S21 and yes, you'll also get an additional S Pen slot. Starting with the smart clear view cover, its antimicrobial technology makes sure your phone stays protected from top to bottom. As it comes with a clear view cover on top, you'll have full control over your phone through the case window without even touching the phone screen. Okay, now let's have a look at the silicone cover. Its soft texture feels great in hand while also protecting the back and corners of your phone. Apart from that, the Ultra is pretty big, and with the cover, it feels even bigger than it is, which might be an issue for some users. It's hard to find a more dependable and indestructible premium case for your Galaxy S21 series. To ease your job, we would like to introduce you to the Vanguard series from Armadillo. It's precisely engineered to add a protective layer that meets double the military standard for drop and shock protection to keep your favorite device secure from impacts. This cover comes with a built-in kickstand, which is ideal for enjoying videos and streams or engaging in hands-free video chats. Its sensitive tactile buttons and protective screen surround plus the Dustproof Plug-Ins are designed to use your phone more smoothly without compromising the protection. Even though it's a thick case for maximum protection, you can still use wireless charging pads and NFC payments without removing your phone cover. Now that you have ensured protection for your phone body, now it's time to protect that gorgeous display with ESR, Liquid Skin Screen Protector, which can keep the stunning dynamic display beautiful, clean, and clear. It comes with a 3-pack of screen protectors made from flexible polymer material, giving your phone full screen protection from scratches and shattering. This screen protector not only protects your phone screen, but also allows you to enjoy a fully responsive capacitive touch experience. Besides, it can self-heal from light scratches over time, so you don't need to be worried. Finally, the ESR also offers a camera lens protector designed to keep your phone's camera module scratch-free. As the S21 series is packed with tons of features, a dynamic display and more cameras mean you might run out of battery quickly. Which is why Anker PowerCore 10000 PD Redux has got your back. Don't let its small size fool you. It packs a 10,000 mAh cell capable of fast 18-watt charging via a USB-C port or a Power IQ-enabled USB-A port. Its massive capacity means that it can top up your Galaxy S20 phone more than twice efficiently. You can charge your compatible phone in a nutshell without the need to plug your device into a wall charger or USB port. It is also compatible with all Qi certified devices. After you're done with all the essential accessories, now sit down and stay relaxed with Galaxy Buds Pro. Well, this gadget gives all the top specs you would expect, including active noise cancellation that eliminates up to 99% of external noise, IPX7 water resistance, and solid 8-hour battery life so that nothing can bother you to enjoy the streamlined music. These buds fit perfectly in your ear and don't fall out of your ear when you're running or jogging. With these, you also get to experience 360-degree Dolby head tracking technology for true spatial audio. Speaking of battery, Galaxy Buds Pro offers 5 hours of runtime and up to 13 hours with charging the case. And with just a quick 5-minute top-up, you can get additional an hour of playback time. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.